Hello, good morning. It's already 12:32 a.m. so happy Easter Sunday. And on Learning Tagalog, we're going to cover professions or the different kinds of work and how to say them in Tagalog. So, for the start, I have lawyer. Lawyer in Tagalog is abogado. 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 And a carpenter is karpentero. Karpintero. Carpintero. Next, I have police or cap. A cap or a policeman is pulis. Pulis. A tailor or seamstress is called mananahi. 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 And I have a farmer is magsasaka. 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 A firefighter is bumbero. 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 Next word is I have painter. A painter is called pintor. 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 Oops. Next is cashier. A cashier is called kahera. 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 Next word, gardener. A gardener is hardinero. 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 Next is mechanic. Mechanic is mekaniko. 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 Next, guard. A guard is called guwardiya in Tagalog. Guwardiya. 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 A nanny is yaya. Yaya. Engineer. That's inhinyero. 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 Our next word is driver. A driver is drayber. Drayber, or you could also say tsuper. Tsuper. tsuper or drayber. Fortune teller. A fortune teller is manghuhula. Manghuhula. And I have, wow, look at that. A lot of people on my list still awake. Facebook. Barber. Barber is barbero. 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 Fisherman. A fisherman is called mangingisda. 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 A writer. If you love writing, you're a writer. A writer is manunulat. Or if you're doing writing for a living, you're a manunulat. 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 If you're taking pictures or photos for a living, you're a photographer or litratista. 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 A singer is mang-aawit. Mang-aawit. A teacher is guro. Guro. I have mailman. A mailman or a postmaster is called kartero. 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 House helper is called kasambahay. 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 And next here is we have doktor. Doktor is also a doctor is doktor in Tagalog. Doktor. The only difference is the spelling. Instead of C, it's letter K. And a nurse is also called a nurse. Actor and actress. An actor is actor. Actor. Or an actress is actress. Actress. Or you could also say artista. Artista. That's either an actor or an actress. And I just remembered just now model. A model is modelo. Modelo. That's all I have right now. Maybe I could think of something else, and if I do, I'm just gonna go and add that on the list. So just check on the list, click on show more to see the spellings. Again, happy Easter. Bye bye.